Now let's try to understand few important things. If you want to convert the centimeter into centimeter square, what do? You square the lengths, right? You square the lengths. Now, if you want to convert centimeter into centimeter cube, so what do? You take the cube of lengths. You cube the lengths. Okay, so you take the cube of lengths. Now, if you want to go backward, it means that if the area is given to you and you have to find the length, it means area is already in centimeter square and you want to convert it into centimeter. What will you do? You will take the square root of the area. Similarly, if you have been given the volume and you are asked to find the length, what you will do? Means centimeter cube is given to you and you have to convert it into centimeter. What you will do? You will take the cube root of that number. Let's try to do based on such things. Let's try to do some exercises. So here it is given. Two solid shapes A and B are given to you and they are similar in figures. Now, the surface area of shape A is 300 centimeter square. So here it's 300 centimeter square. And the surface area of shape B is 675 centimeter square. The height of A is given to you as 45 centimeter. First of all, they are asking you to work out the height of shape B. So let's try to solve part number A. So first of all, A, take the ratio of A cylinder and B cylinder. Now let's talk about the area. So area of the A is 300 centimeter square and area of B is 675 centimeter square. You have been given the length of the A as 45 centimeter and you have to find the height of B. Let's see, x centimeter. So 300 is to 675 is given to you in the form of centimeter square. You take the square root to convert the centimeter square into centimeter. So square root of 300, just check, square root of 300 means 10 square root 3. Now it will be centimeter because square and square root cancel out. And square root of 675, you will get 15 square root of 3 centimeter equals to 45 centimeter over x centimeter. So what have you noticed? Now to both sides the units are same. Now just solve it. Square root 3 cancel, cross multiply. So 10 times x equals to 45 times 15. So you crossed multiply. To get rid of the 10, you will divide both sides by 10. So what you will get, 45 times 15 and then divided by 10, you will get 67.5 centimeter as the height of this B cylinder. Now let's try to figure out what part number B is showing us. They are saying that the volume of the B is 530 centimeter cube. Work out the volume of shape A. Now try to understand. Maybe I make a mistake while solving or while finding my length of or a height of the cylinder B. Maybe I have some mathematical problem. Maybe I didn't multiply it properly or I divide it properly, or maybe I have some mistakes in writing the questions. So never rely on your answer. You try to find out and take the actual thing which is given to you. That means area of shape A and area of shape B is given to you. So let's write A over B. Now area of shape A is 300 centimeter square and area of shape B is 675 centimeter square. Why I am taking this? Because it is given to me, and with the help of these values I will try to find out my length ratio or the height ratio, and then I will work for volume. So first of all, find the length of these things. So how can you find the length? Of course, change the centimeter square into centimeter. So take the square root of the A and take the square root of the area of the B. So 300 centimeter square, we know it is giving. So square root of 300, we get 10 square root 3. And square root of 675 centimeter square, we get 15 square root 3. And if we cancel the square root 3's, we will get them as a ratio of 10:15, or simplify more and you will get 2:3. Now this is the ratio of the length of these cylinder or the height of these cylinders. Now work for the volume. So again A and B are given to you, and these are the ratios given to you in the question. And now work for the volumes. So volume of B is 530 centimeter cube, and you have to find the volume of A. Now if cube is given, so you have to take the cube as on the lengths, on the heights of the cylinders. So 2 cube means 8 and 3 cube means 27 equals to volume of A divided by 530. Make the cross multiplication and you will get 27 times V equals to 8 times 530. Divide both sides by 27 to get the final answer. So you will get here 8 times 530 divided by 27. So you will get 157.037. It means 0.04 after rounding off to 2 decimal places. Centimeter cube. Now volume of A is 157.04. So they are now in the ratio of 2:3 with the volume of A and B. So I hope that you understood this concept. Now try to do on the same pattern another example. So here the two cones are given to you. The surface area of shape S and T are given to you. The height of S is given to you. They are first asking you to find the height of the shape T. So let's try and work out here. So S is to T, write it down. What is the surface area of S? It's 120 centimeter square. Area of surface T is 750 centimeter square. Now height of S is given to you as 27 centimeter and height of T you don't know. So you have to convert the centimeter square, all the square into the centimeter, because from the area you have to convert into length or the height. So take the square root on both sides to get rid of this square. So square root of 120 gives you square root 2 square root 30 centimeter now. And now square root of 750 gives you 5 square root of 30, again centimeter, equals to 27 over x, all in centimeters. So now square root 30 and square root 30 cancel. So 2 over 5 equals to 27 over x. Cross multiply. X times 2 gives you 2x equals to 27 times 5. Divide both sides by 2 and you will get 67.5 centimeter. This is the required height of the shape T. Now let's try to do part number B. Now again in part number B, the volume of T is given to you as 620 centimeter cube. Now you have to work out for the volume of the shape S to 2 decimal places and you have to round off. Remember that if we take this height which we found out, maybe we make some mistake. So better to use the given data, means convert the area, find the ratio of the area and then with that try to work out for the volume. So let's see here. Okay, so S over T for the S. Okay, for the S the surface area is 120 centimeter square and for the T the surface area is 750 centimeter square. You want to find the heights ratio. So you will take the square root on both sides and you will get 2 square root of 30 in centimeter and 5 square root of 30 in centimeter. When you work on this one, when you divide, you will get 2 over 5. This is the ratio of the heights of the cone S and T. Now with this one, so you write 2 over 5 centimeter and centimeter. This is S, this is T. Now the volume of the T is given to you as 620 and the volume of S you have to find it out. So you have to convert the centimeter into cube. So take the cube on both sides. So 2 cube means 8, 5 cube. Then you will write 5 times 5, 25 times 5 gives you 125 equals to V over 620. Cross multiply, you will get 125V equals to 620 times 8. Divide both sides by 125. So write in the calculator. So you will get 620 into 8 and divided by 125 and you will get 39.68 centimeter cube. That's all. So let's try this question. Two clay models of Big Bang are mathematically similar. The smaller model has a height of 18 centimeter and the bigger model has a height of 24 centimeter. And the smaller model weighs 310 grams, whereas 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 gram. So you can say that 310 grams or 310 centimeter cube are similar to each other. So let's see. So let's suppose this is S, this is large, so S over L. The height is 18 over 24 respectively, equals to volume of the smaller model is 310 centimeter cube. As I said, it is good if we write our units beside the numbers to understand what we have to do it. So look, the centimeters are given to us. We have to find out the answer in the centimeter cube, which means we have to take the cube on the centimeter to convert it into centimeter cube. So this cube on the numerator, this cube in the denominator. So I'm writing centimeter cube just to show you. Now if I make it 18 cube, it will give me a very big number, or 24 cube, it gives me a very big number. So why don't I simplify 18 over 24? In the simplest form, if I write and then make a cube, it gives me a good answer. So 18 over 24, so I know that 6 times 3 18 and 6 times 4 24. Now 3 cube means 27 and 4 cube means 4 times 4 16. So 4 power 4 cube, it gives me 64 as an answer, equals to 310 centimeter cube over x centimeter cube. Now all the units are same. I cross multiply. So x equals to 27 times x, 27x equals to 310 times 64. Divide both sides by 27 to get the perfect answer. So write down in the calculator 310 times 64 and divide by 27. You will get 734.8, and they are asking you to write three significant figures. So just round off the answer without the decimal. It will give you 735 centimeter cube. Now the next question. Two clay models of Eiffel Tower are mathematically similar. The smaller model has a height of 21 centimeter, whereas the larger model has a height of 36 centimeters. So let's see here. Here is the smaller and the larger. We will write again S over L equals to 21 over 36, and before cubing or squaring or reading any further the statement, we will just simplify it so they can go both in the table of times table of 3. So 7 times 3, 3 times 7 21, and 3 times 12 gives me 26. Now the smaller model weighs 132 grams, and as I said that the grams can be converted or written in the form of centimeter cube. So the smaller has 132 centimeter cube, and we have to find out the weight of the larger model. So since we have to convert centimeter into centimeter cube, we will make the cube on both sides. So it gives you 7 cube. So you can write in the calculator 7 power 3. So you will get 343 divided by 12 cube, which gives us 1728 equals to 132 over x. Cross multiply, you will get 343x equals to 132 times 1728. Divide both sides by 343 to get the answer or to get the weight of the larger model in centimeter cubes or the grams. So in the calculator, 132 times 1728 divided by 343. So the answer is 665.0029 or 0029 or 665 approximately in centimeter cube or in grams. Now let's check this question. So the surface area of the smaller solid is 400, and this is smaller, this is larger. Surface area is of the smaller to the larger are 420 centimeter square and 1500 centimeter square. The volume of the larger solid is 67 centimeter cube. But before doing this, just find out the scale factor, so it becomes so easy for you to find the scale factor of area. So you will get 420 divided by 1500, you will get 7 over 25. So it's in centimeter square, this is also in centimeter square. Now we have 7 over 25 centimeter square, the surface area of smaller and larger models respectively. We have we have to find out the volume. But before finding the volume, why don't we convert them into this uh, into the into the lengths, or let's try to find out the radius of these volumes. So we will take the square root on both sides. So the radius of these figures will be square root of 7 over square root of 25. Now this is what it is given. This is given in the centimeter. Once it is done, you have to convert it. You have to convert it into the cube to find the volume. So square root 7 over square root 25 with the centimeter, they are the radius of the smaller and the larger figure. In order to find or convert it into the volumes, we know that the volume of the larger solid is 67 centimeter cube. We have to find out the volume of the smallest figure. Now what we will do, we will take the cube on the sides to get the perfect answer. Okay, so square root of 7 with a power of with a power of 3, we will get 7 square root 7 divided by square root of 25 with a power of 3, we will get 125 equals to x over 67. Now cross multiply and get the answer. So 125x equals to 67 times 7 square root 7. Divide both sides by 125 and write the answer in 3 significant figures. So let's see that what do we get. 67 into 7 square root of 7 divided by 125, and we will get 9.92 centimeter cube. So let's try another question. That is, two prisms are given to you. The volume of the prism A is 14,000 and centimeter cube, and the volume of the B is given in the form of 27344 centimeter cube. So before doing anything, why don't we just try to find out the scale factor so that it will make our lives so easier to find out what is the answer. So if we simplify them, we will get 875 divided by 1709 centimeter cubes. So this is the scale factor. I'm writing centimeter cube. I'm not cancelling them out, just to show you. Now the total surface area is 9728 centimeter square. But in order to find the surface area, we have to convert the centimeter cubes into centimeter. So what you can do, you can take the cubic root on both sides, yani on this side, to get the answer in centimeters, because this is centimeter cube and we have to find out the answer in centimeter, because later, until we don't know the sides, we cannot find or the ratio of the surface area. So now just let's check cubic root of 875. This will give us 9.564, and cubic root of, so it is cubic root of 1709, we will get 11.956. It is in the centimeter. Once it is done, SOA over B, we have the sides. Now we have the sides of A is to B. Now we have to convert into, we have given the surface area of B. So this is centimeter I'm keep writing it so that I don't forget what I am trying to do. And I have to find the surface area of the A prism. Now, convert the centimeter into centimeter square. So, for that reason, I am going to take the square of the length. So, write down in the calculator 9.564 square. So 9.564 square. It gives me 91.47, and 11.956 square, it gives me 142.94 equals to x over 9728. Cross multiply, we will get x equals to 91.47 times 9728 divided by 142.94. Write in the calculator to get the perfect answer. 91.47 times 9728 divided by 142.94. So the answer is 6225.13, or if we round off, we can get 6225, and it should be in centimeter square.